Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to my channel. The 10 English matter on technical discussion, tricky of power steering system and their understanding. The power steering system is a system designed uh, to provide assist in the form of pressure toward the right steering to the steering wheel control of process can be later. uh, this is important especially in large vehicle if not equipped uh, with a power steer. It will be very draining the driver's power. Steering wheel control is also unresponsive because it takes a long time to change the direction of the wheel. So the power steering system also affects the safety of the vehicles. Power steering system. We will discuss there are at least three types of power models, namely hydraulic type, electric type, and hybrid type. The first, hydraulic power steering, has the name implies the type of hydraulic power steering has fluid as a power delivery medium, where the power is generated from engine speed. How it works when the steering wheel is rotated, three wheel will be a series of valves. They will open the hydraulic flow from the pump to the right street. Because the engine is on, the engine speed will increase the hydraulic pressure, and they is channeled into the right street. Inside the fluid, right steer passes the steering direction. Uh, the component of a hydraulic power steering system are as follow. Uh, for pump its function is the conversion of the engine energy to hydraulic pressure. Uh, Steering brake is a series of gears that has fluid space to do power assist, pinion, and fan. A gear that is connected the steering wheel serve and regulated the direction of fluid flow based on the direction of steering wheel. Fluid as a medium for delivering pressure from a pump. Fluid that is has a generally free type adaptive automatic transmission fluid or automatic oil transmission reservoir to a command that with reference from the system. Uh, the second is electric power steering. As their name suggests, this type of power steering no longer has with leisure but already has electricity. Home is where there is a steering direction. The sensor can also detect twisting moment from the steering wheel. The sensor is a reference for the steer motor to protect the right steer. The location of the motor is attached to the steering right, so when the steering signal is pressed, the motor starts working. Component is the power electric system are uh, steering rack, a series of gear attending between the left and right the road which are also the place for power access. A steering motor located on the steering rack. This component serves to provide rotation over the as the steering loop. Steering and torque sensor they will detect the direction and driving moment. The sensor and accurately the detect of that the steering is being rotated by the driver. EPS module and electronic circuit for determining motor performance based on sensor data. Electric control this component is very important because it serves a source of driving for EPS. 3. Hybrid power steering electric hydro power steering. The third type is a combination electric type and hydraulic type. On the actuator side of the steering rack, the weight is the same as a hydraulic system, where a steering fan is used to determine the direction of access, but the hydraulic pressure does not come from the engine pump but from the electric pump. That is, the engine is not brought the net by power steering, but still as the hydraulic system, so that the steering system can be more durably. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.